Okay, next one will be question 4. Question 4, it says Kevlar is a tough polyamide used for bulletproof vests and high specification bicycle tires. It can be manufactured by the following process. Alright, now the A1 it says suggest reagent and condition for reaction 1. So from reaction 1 you can see the CH3 has changed to COOH. So this one is an oxidation, okay, process. Okay, so the oxidizing agent that we use will be KMnO4. Now for this one, it's supposed to be KMnO4 under alkaline condition, followed by acidification. Okay, this 1 mark for the reagent, another mark is the acidic. Mark scheme actually just allow if you don't put OH minus, you just put H plus. It will allow for this as a condition, but many of you forgot to put heat. Alright, so it has to take heat and acidification to get the second mark. Now for reaction 2, COOH changes from this compound changes from the COOH to become COCl. Alright, so it's acidic. It's a formation of acyl chloride reaction. So you have that reagent where we discussed before. You have that SOCl2 or PCl5, or you can have the PCl3. Okay, you can choose to put the liquid or room temperature as condition, but do not. Okay, the mark scheme rejects AQ. It should not be aqueous form. Okay, so 1 mark for this one. Next, so next one will be draw the structural one repeat. Now this one is polymerization's example. So with that, you need to draw in a way, because Kevlar is a polymer, so you need to draw in a way that it forms a polymer. It's not just having this one, CO, and removal of Cl and 1 H, you get N and the H. So you need to have this one, you need to show a continuation. So with that, N over here has to lose 1 H and with a continuation bond, and then as well as C double bond O has to lose its Cl. So this is Kevlar. Alright, so 1 mark. Next one, the diacid. Okay, read this question carefully. Diacid chloride C reacts with a variety of reagents, suggests a formulae where reaction will react with NH2. So because you have a diacid, you need to bear in mind that C, okay, C over here, if it's a di, that means if one side is acid chloride, the acid chloride reacts with NH2, it has to react on both sides. So you have the CO double bond. It's not just this side where you have the NH and CH3, but the other side also will react. Okay, H and CH3. Okay, all right. Now, 1 mark if you give the correct functional group and connection, and 1 mark over here. As for this one, it's also a diol, so you have the choice to choose to put a diacid chloride over here as well as this side, or you have a diacid and put alcohol on both sides like this way. Over here, the alcohol will lose 1 H and you join with CH2, CH2, OH, where this side you have CO double bond, O as well, and CH2 with CH3 and OH. Okay, right? Either this way, or you start up with a CH2 alcohol, O, and followed by the acyl chloride. C, like this. Okay, this one will also be accepted. Okay, but this one is preferred because your starting reagent is this one. All right. 1 mark this from this side and 1 mark for this side, and because they are all together 4 marks, right? But maximum will give you 3 marks. All right.